the numbering system on your fingers. This is useful so I can tell you much easier what to play and what finger to use. It's the same on each hand. We have our thumbs as 1, index is 2, middle is 3, ring is 4, and pinky is 5. And that is the same for both hands. Jot that down because we're going to be using it in our exercises. And for our exercises, I'm going to be taking some from the classic book by Charles Hanon, The Virtuoso Pianist. These are commonly called Hanon exercises and help with finger strength, flexibility, and coordination. I'm going to throw in some of my own that I found helpful as well. I encourage you to copy them down and practice at home every day so that you can see quick progress in your playing. Before we play, let's talk about how your hand should look. Your fingers should be like curved semicircles. The thumb is straight and plays on its side like this. On the fingers, you play gently on the fingertips. Just like that. Your wrist should be straight, level with the rest of your hand as much as you can. And for the shoulders, just keep them nice and relaxed. Take a deep breath and just play. For the exercises, we're going to have our hands in what's called C position. Now remember the numbering system, and you can see we're going to place our leftmost finger on C and let the rest fall on the ones to the right. So your right thumb should be on C, with the rest of your fingers falling on each note to the right, and your left pinky should be on C, with the rest of those fingers falling to the right as well. And that's C position. We're going to start by playing with our right hand. Nice and easy, we'll just play 1, 2, 3, 2. Thumb, index, middle, index. We'll play that a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Great. And now let's add the rest of our fingers. We'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's just moving up one finger at a time, starting with the thumb. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's just take that over to the left hand. This time we'll start with 5, 4, 3, 4. That's going to be pinky, ring, middle, ring. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4. That's it. Let's add the rest of the fingers now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just pinky and playing one finger at a time towards the thumb. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one to help practice getting both hands going. It's a little left to right sway. Still in C position like before, we're going to play the leftmost fingers and then the rightmost fingers. So left pinky and right thumb play together. Right pinky and left thumb play together. From C to G. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and right. Alright, let's just add the middle finger in between these now. We're going to go left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, right, and middle. And that's enough exercises for today. Remember to play those at home every day if you can. Now onto our song. This song is called Hot Cross Buns, and it's really easy. Here it is. We only have 3 notes, E, D, and C. I know you can find C, left of the 2 black keys, and remember diddle D is in the middle of those 2 black keys. And let's just go one more to the right, and we have E. We're only going to use those 3 notes. We can start playing it with the right hand. We're just going to go E, D, C, E, D, C. Play C 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play D 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, E, D, C. All right, let's play with our song. And that's it. Let's just go on over to the left hand to get some practice there too. So this time we have pinky on C, ring on D, and middle finger on E. We'll play it the same way. E, D, C, E, D, C, 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 D, 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 E, D, C. One more time with the song. And that's it. I hope you return for next week and take this journey of learning the piano with me. Remember to practice and take care.